Hi guys, welcome to Tech Program YouTube channel. In today's video what I am going to talk with you about, you may have faced this problem. Let's say you are trying to download an app from the Play Store. Once you click on install, it is just showing as pending and nothing gets downloaded. This can happen mainly because of two reasons. First one is there may be not enough storage on your device to install the new app. So in a situation like this, you can clear your storage by deleting any garbage files or apps which in your Android device. The second reason is you may have pending app updates which blocks the new installations. So in a situation like this, you will have to stop pending app updates. Now let's see how we can do that. I am gonna download and install an app from the Play Store. You can see that when I clicked on install button, the application is not downloading and it is just showing as pending. As I said earlier, in this situation this is happening because I have pending app updates. So let's stop those updates and see whether it will get downloaded or not. Tap on the user account icon of your Play Store and select the manage apps and devices option. Tap on update in apps and from here you can see that I have several ongoing app updates. I'm going to tap on the cancel all option to stop all those app updates. Now let's try to download our app again. You can see that now it is getting downloaded. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching guys. If you have any questions, please add it in the comment section so we can give you an answer. If you think those tips and tricks helpful, give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe to our channel.